In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a nice interactive slideshow with customized music using iPhoto. So the first thing you need to do, you need to import your images into iPhoto, and the process is actually very simple. So you need to have your JPEG files ready to go, and basically all you need to do is just to give you an example, you're going to highlight your images and simply drag them into the library. Next thing you're going to, you can figure out if it's a different event or however you want to do this. I'm going to choose this other event that I created previously. So I'm going to select the photos, hold the shift key, click on the first image, hold the shift key, and click on the last image. And I'm going to say add to, and I'm going to make a slideshow, and it's going to be a new slideshow, and I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it last name, so yours would be probably Zenhari final project or extra credit project, whatever you want to call it. So here, just give it the name of this slideshow. I'm going to call this What's Now. And now when I double click it, I can add title. Basically the title is added right here to the title card. I can now choose music and choose my theme. I'm going to click on the theme and choose one of these themes, and for this one I may want to choose just the vintage print. I'm going to say choose. Classic is actually pretty good too, so maybe I'll choose classic instead. So I'll just choose classic. You can change it if you decide that you don't like it. And from the music, you have some default settings that iTunes already uses, but you can also choose your own music. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose a different music for this. Maybe I'll just choose this one for now. Probably it's not the best one, but for now it's gonna be okay. Maybe not that one. Let's see. And now, so I have my preview. I can preview it. See what. So I can, if I decide that I don't like that theme, I can go back and change it and choose that one and play the music again or preview it again. Oops, didn't work. Music, it defaulted back. So yeah, I guess if you change the theme, make sure you change back double check your music as well. So that was Dead Can Dance. Okay. And let's preview it. Okay, so I'm actually gonna change the title. I don't like the underscore for the title, so I can modify that. So now I'm actually ready to export it out. So there's actually a couple of other things you can change as well. If you choose, if you go under setting, here you can change the image slideshow. If you're on the text, basically you can change certain settings. For example, you can have you can reduce the seconds that we're going to be staying on one slide. You can also fit slideshow to the music or not, so but I prefer to do that. So now we're going to export it out, and the standard definition basically works for your iPhone, iPad 480. It's pretty small. I prefer to use the higher definition. It gives you slightly larger size, but also the quality looks better. And basically you decide whichever option you want to choose, and you press on export. And I've actually already exported it out. So this is based on a different music and theme. So here's the 720. So that I use the different theme for this one and different music. So you can see that, you know, each one. And now you can basically upload to Flickr, or of course, if you're going to do that, you want to make sure you have your Flickr account linked to the iPhoto, or you can simply just upload it the same way that you've been uploading your other movies, and you can share the link with the class. So this would be yeah, this is how you can create really quick slideshow with customized music in iPhoto.